Hi, I'm Peter Haddock and I'm here on the case stand at ConExpo with Antonio. This is an autonomous kit that can be taken apart and put together on the top of this huge wheel loader or the wheel loader next door, because this is a system-led approach, isn't it?
We decoupled the machine from technology. You can buy a case machine as it is today, whatever machine, the heavy line or the light line, with their engine, their hydraulic, their strong iron, but you need technology, and technology has its own house.
Yep.
So this concept is made by pieces, the core where the controller are, the arms that allowed you to have all the system on the border, on the side of the entire machine, in this case a wheel loader, and the sensing part. You can choose your sensing configuration. This is the complete one. We have GNSS technology for guidance. We have 4 cameras, as you can see on the installation already on the wheel loader, that allowed you the perception, full perception. You are able to identify people, other vehicles, trucks, and piles. You have 2 LiDAR that allowed you to scan the job site and have continuously control and fusion with the camera system to have the full control of what is around you. Not only single camera view, but even 360 degrees view. All those components allowed you to have the automation of your vehicle. But I don't like to call it autonomous vehicle, but virtual operator, because the nice thing is that you can move easily this component from vehicle to vehicle. So you don't buy your technology to sit and stay forever on your vehicle, but you can move the concept from machine to machine where you need in autonomous configuration, and eventually to help you in doing the work. So the operator does not lose the fun to move the joystick, it helps you to do it better.
And it comes with a remote control as well.
This is an important part because the remote control can help you in controlling, and here you see an innovative thumb joystick, very easy to be used, especially for the new generation. So you can monitor the autonomous vehicle by this guy over here, having the camera access, the entire mirroring of the human-machine interface of the machine, or go in remote control mode and operate yourself with this.
And you can take these apart, folks, as well, and put them together so you're not having to lift this whole section onto the roof. One of the things I would love to do is come and see this actually in action.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, guys.